So you have the Vive portable wheelchair, and on this video I'm going to show you everything that you receive when you get this and a quick guide on how to get this up and running. But the great thing about it is it comes basically fully assembled for you when you receive it. It's going to show up just like this. All you have to do is put the footrest on there. So what you want to do is just push it out like this, and we'll expand it. And now at this point we can bring up the back here. So I'm going to bring the camera around. I'll show you how to get this up, but it's really, really simple. Okay, for the backrest, it goes up and down. They're just pins that you can see here. So all you're going to do is just hold these levers on the back down. We'll lift it up. It'll pop into place just like that. We're ready to go. When you are getting ready to put it back in your car, pull the levers just like that, and we can fold it down. So it's that simple. For the footrest, same thing. There's going to be holes here. We're just going to push these onto these pins, and they'll just slide down. At that point, we can bring it around. It'll lock into place. Do the other one, and just like that, this thing is fully assembled. So it takes maybe, I don't know, 15 seconds once you get it out of your car to get this assembled. So I do a lot of different demos on wheelchairs and mobility aids. Personally, for wheelchairs, this was the easiest one that I've received where I can just open it up and get it working. So if you're looking for something that's very simple to transport around and be portable, I think this would be the perfect option. And I can still hold up to 250 pounds, so it is sturdy, and it only weighs maybe, I don't know, 30 pounds. So you can easily lift it out of your trunk, back of your car, or whatever when you are transporting. So I am very, very happy with this. I give it 2 thumbs up.